friends, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patterns. I hope you all are doing well, enjoying the life and liking the videos and collection which I make for you and make upload on my channel. So once again I am with a really amazing collection and designs, as I have made already amazing videos for Christmas. So these are mini Christmas trees which you can make with crochet and place them on the side tables or just hang on the any decoration you're making for the Christmas, like for a wall or any kind of hangings you're making. So you can make these little and mini Christmas trees. They look really amazing. As you know that on Christmas we all make some beautiful trees for our house, so these kind of mini trees you can just add to your decoration. It will just enhance the beauty of your decoration and your house. So you can have ideas of mini trees from this video, and you will definitely love all the designs and patterns which are included, and you will start making these amazing patterns and designs to just decorate your house on Christmas. As you can see that we all make amazing decorations on Christmas. So on my channel you will find so many ideas and designs, and if you want to make something special rather than these Christmas trees, you can just get all the information, all the decoration items and other collections on my channel. I have posted so many videos. You will find the videos and you will definitely love all the designs. Just go to my channel, watch all the designs and patterns. And if you want to make something with the crochet, don't go to different kind of websites or just Google for any kind of idea to make amazing patterns. Just come to my channel. You will find so many ideas on my channel. And if you are new on the channel, please guys subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon, so that whenever I post new videos, new collections and new designs for you, you can get the notification, and you can just use these ideas and watch the videos on time, and you can share these amazing ideas with your friends and family, so that they can also use these amazing ideas to make amazing crochet projects. In crochet patterns there are no limit of designs. You can make so many things with crochet, and all are really amazing and trendy, and all designs are included in my channel. And guys, if you're liking the content and channel videos which I am sharing with you, you just let me know, give me your feedback through your comments, so that I can just keep in mind whenever I make any new video, that what kind of things my viewer want to watch, so that I can make videos accordingly, according to your need, according to your liking, and you will definitely love all the designs and collections which I will share with you. So guys, as you already giving amazing support to the channel, giving amazing response, amazing feedback, and giving your valuable time to watch my videos, that's really means a lot and highly appreciated. So keep on sharing, keep on liking, and keep on watching the new videos on my channel. Keep on giving your amazing response as you are already giving. So guys, I'll be making more videos on my channel, and you will be watching amazing designs and pattern in future also. So stick to my channel, wait for next upcoming videos. You will find amazing and stylish and trendy designs on about the crochet. So you will definitely love all the designs and pattern which I will share in my future videos. And I hope you already enjoying these videos, and especially this video you enjoyed all the patterns. I hope you liked the patterns, and you will definitely try these for your Christmas decoration. If you want to watch amazing ideas on the channel, please stick to my channel, wait for upcoming videos. Thanks a lot for giving your valuable time. Thanks for coming, and thanks for watching the video. As you can see, all the designs are really trendy and really stylish, so you will definitely love all the designs and patterns which are included. Thanks for watching, and thanks for giving your